Hi everyone, it's Robin. I just made the most delicious Italian Amaretti cookies. They are delicious. I have to show you how to make these.
So I started off in a medium bowl, but that didn't work out, so switched to a larger bowl and gave almond flour and sugar a good mix. I separated 2 eggs, the yolks from the whites, transferred the yolks to a container for later use in a different recipe. And then I'm going to beat egg whites and cream of tartar together to form soft peaks. After that, I added amaretto liquor and some almond extract. So these are 2 Middle Eastern desserts, Mediterranean, if you will. Making the cookies, I add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients until a soft dough forms. The directions didn't say I had to do this, but I always like to chill my cookie dough prior to forming it into balls. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using 2 cookie sheets stacked on top of each other because I want to experiment with my baking times without scorching the bottom of the cookie. I have a medium cookie scoop here. I roll the dough into a ball and place it in powdered sugar and then put it on the parchment paper. So the directions said 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to experiment with my baking time. Just out of curiosity. So 15 minutes, not done at all. I took a bite out and the inside wasn't done. So here's the 20-minute mark and they're done. Light brown on the bottom, crunchy exterior, soft interior. You can see I took a bite there. Now let's just see what 5 more minutes is like. So 25-minute baking time for this next batch. It's the same batch. I just put them right back in the oven. And they're beautiful. They're a little bit darker in color, but they're still soft on the inside even after they cooled off. So that's perfect. Wonderful. Let's go on to recipe number 2, Middle Eastern dessert, dates and espresso and cardamom. This is an Arab dessert, so I was excited to try this. I've never had an Arab dessert. So I took 2 packages of dates, ground some cardamom pods. Now I'm going to add some black coffee to this pan. You can see the coffee there. A little bit of sugar and a cinnamon stick broken in 2, and I'm going to heat that to really hot on the stove. And then just pour it over the dates. Let it sit on the counter, and once it's cooled off a bit, you can put it in the refrigerator to chill. And then it looks like that. And I fished out the dates. And then what you do is you serve it on Greek yogurt, and I topped it with almonds. Absolutely delicious, but I think it goes best with the Amaretti cookies. Absolutely delicious. So I had so much left over, I decided to make date butter. So I just pureed a whole bunch, refrigerated it overnight, and it looks like this. I spread it on some of Jim Leahy's no-knead bread. I toasted that up with some butter, and it ended up being super crunchy. It's almost like diet bread because there's so many holes. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help. And this is James T. We call him JT. We got him on New Year's Day. See you next time, everyone.